The Mica 310 is Colorlight proprietary MLED production line automated calibration system. The system includes assembly line production equipment, an operation control platform, a management platform, and a cloud storage server. It realizes closed-loop management from order to production and to on-site maintenance. The management platform supports role assignment, authorization, order placement, and data monitoring and management. The cloud storage server supports automatic backup of calibration data and order information, providing timely, reliable, and intelligent data maintenance to the site. The operation control platform supports one-button start. It can accurately read order requirements, automatically scan code, light up modules, and calibrate the modules as required. It will unload the modules according to their calibration results, OK or NG, realizing fully automatic calibration with UPH up to 120 pieces per hour. With an integrated scientific-grade camera for calibration and a cutting-edge gradient fusion algorithm, Mica 310 supports 3-module assembly without color difference. There is no need for secondary calibration on-site. Mica 310 is applicable to modules like COB, SMD, GOB, and Virtual Pixel. It supports calibration modes of high brightness, low brightness, and multi-layer. One production line is compatible with multiple specifications and models. Via reserved data interfaces, Mica 310 easily works with MES, ERP, and other systems. It features an interior dark room. The modular design enables high extensibility for the system. Mica 310 MLED production line automated calibration system.